Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a brand new Trademe account. So first we're going to scroll all the way up to the page, the top of the page on trademe.co.nz, and we're going to go ahead and click the register button up in the top right corner. Then we're going to be clicking on the personal use. I am going to be just showing you how to make the personal use account. I would not recommend business membership unless you're a business or whatever, because I do believe you get charged a whole bunch of extra fees. So I'm just going to go click on personal use. Here in email, I'm just going to use email@gmail.com. Obviously that's not a real, well it probably is, but it's not my address. Then I'm going to put a password in. I'm just going to probably go into a new tab and type a bunch of, oh this is annoying, I'm just going to type a bunch of random characters, and then I'm going to just copy them for the sake of just making a random password and paste them into the boxes here. Then we're going to go ahead and create a username. So I'm just gonna call it username. Obviously you'd use something more creative than that. It's going to give you suggestions for usernames that aren't already taken. Obviously username is taken. Then we're going to select our country, either New Zealand or Australia. I'm just going to select New Zealand here. Then we're going to go next step. You put your first name in. I'm just going to put that my name is real person. Obviously you wouldn't want to do this if this was actually you. And I'm just gonna say that I was born on the 9th of November 2001. Here's a joke. Then phone number, obviously we're going to put this in. I'm just going to put a random number in here that is the correct thing, but you'd put your actual phone number in here, I guess. For some weird and creepy reason, Trademe likes to know your gender. I don't know why they would need this information ever. I'm going to click gender diverse, even though actually no, I'm just going to click man, because that's ridiculous. Why would they have this button anyway? New Zealand. Oh, I suppose there's, some scenarios, like what if you were born with both bits. Anyway, New Zealand, you're going to put your address. I'm just going to put 12 West Grove Place. Obviously, that's not my real address, but it's just one that came up. Usually, you put your address, you'll start putting your address in, and normally it will suggest exactly the address that you're looking for. And then closest town, I'm just going to go ahead and click oh, that's not right. I'm just going to click a random one here. And then we have to go ahead and click the I am over 18 and have read and accepted Trademe's terms and conditions and privacy policy. Obviously no one actually reads these, but if you do want to read them, you can go ahead and click them here. And if you want to be bothered spending 1/4 of an eternity reading everything on here, usually it's just, I'm pretty sure all of this stuff is basically just common sense sort of stuff. I believe a bunch of legal jargon that you're probably not going to be bothered reading. And then of course there's the privacy policy, which probably just says we don't spy on you, but actually we do, in a bunch more words. And so I'm going to just go ahead and tick that. Then we're going to go ahead and click create account. And it says this email is already registered, so I'm just going to put a bunch of random numbers in after here and hope that it works. Here we go, create account, and there we go. We're pretty much done. The next step to completing this is obviously to go to the email. Obviously I can't go to that email because it doesn't exist, or it's not in my possession at least. But you would go to your inbox in Gmail or whatever other email service host that you use, and there'll probably be a little email pop up in your inbox that will say confirm that you're actually making this Trademe account. You just go ahead and click that, and then you're practically done, I'm pretty sure. And then once you've gone ahead and done all of that, it'll probably prompt you to put in a bunch of address information and stuff in relation to where you want to get stuff shipped. And I think there's a few more steps in like setting up bank accounts and such of where you want to be paid and such like that. But that's how you basically make a new Trademe account. Yeah, thanks for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye.